Hey everybody, Ron from CampFire Grub, and on this week's video we're actually still in the Keys, and tonight we're going to be doing some bartending and making up some mixed drinks here with Josh. So let's see how they turn out.
Alright, we're going to do my version of an old fashioned. We're using bullet bourbon. We're going to put in 2 shots of the bullet bourbon.
Now these steps were actually already completed, but we had some camera issues, so it actually didn't get recorded.
We're going to do like a half a shot of simple syrup. Pour that in, pour it in. And then we've got orange bitters. We don't have any oranges or cherries, so we're just going with orange bitters. Put the orange bitters in. I like a little extra. Maybe about six little shakes. And then 1 shot of water. Just to smooth it out a little bit.
Now Dasani is water?
This is Dasani water, yes.
Okay, I didn't know Dasani was water. Okay, continue on.
Dasani water, just plain water. And we already have ice in here. So we're just gonna give it a little stir. Give it a little stir. We got some ice in this cup for Ron. Stir it up a little bit. And you got a double tall old fashioned.
Alright, so let's go ahead and give it a try and see how it tastes. It's actually pretty good. This is probably going to be maybe one of my new favorite drinks. I'm going to go ahead and have to drink all of it, and I'll let you know how I like it. All right, so Josh, so what's your reason for liking old fashions? So, yeah.
They're simple and they're old, just like I am.
Awesome. So, old fashions are simple, and they, you need a lot of bottles and little mixing cups, but
You don't need all this. I add all this for a little extra flair.
But you know what? For the most part, they're actually pretty good drinks so far. I'm still working on mine, and once it's done, I'll let you know and give you a full, complete review on the drink.
I'll always have another one ready for you, and I only make one at a time.
All right, Katie, so how did you like the drink?
It was good.
It was good? You liked it? Would you drink it again?
Yeah.
Awesome. Josh, how'd you like the drink?
I appreciate the drink.
Awesome. Well, you made it, so you probably do like it. Thank you for your help in teaching me the new drink. Kevin, how'd you like the drink?
I was out of this whole drinking party. I had foo-foo drinks.
Oh, foo-foo
Logo
drinks.
from Publix.
Awesome. Well, you know what? At least you are drinking with us. So I actually finished off my drink. Thank you everybody for watching. Bartending videos and alcohol videos in general is a little bit different for us. But you know what? If you liked it, leave a comment below and we might come out with a few more bartending videos in the future. Thank you everybody for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more. And actually, it's not quite the end because Kevin just randomly found a breathalyzer tester in his pocket. So I'm going to go ahead and try it out, and I'll let you know what my number was after drinking the drink.
Hold on, we're gonna count now and I'm gonna blow.
Kevin, you didn't even drink any of the drink, so how is that relevant?
.18.
All right, well, Kevin blew a .18 buying basic Publix drink, so I'm going to go ahead and blow into it, and I'll let you know a comparison. All right, so just for a comparison with the one drink that I had, I'm actually only a .07. So that's just an example of how this drink does. So if you just want something real light and easy, this is definitely the drink for you. Again, thank you everybody for watching, and if you like the alcohol bartending videos, just leave a comment below and we might come out with a few more in the future.